Good afternoon, all of you. Now, today I am taking a very important topic known as a logarithmic differentiation. Now, from this topic, every year question has been asked. Now, before starting the logarithmic differentiation, first I will tell you about log, some laws of logarithm. Now, what is log actually? Log is a kind of function. As we say, trigonometric function, sine theta, algebraic function, x square plus 1. Similarly, log is also a type of function. Now, how it is represented? It is represented as log x. If I write fx equal to log x, so that is called the logarithmic function. Now, there are certain laws of logarithmic function which you will follow. First is called the law of power. Very easy. It says that log m to the power n, log m to the power n, this power will come in front. It is written as n log m. Log m to the power n can be written as n log m. Power will come first, then log, and then you will write the base. This is called law of power. Second is the law of multiplication. Log mn. If you are in product, log mn can be written as log m plus log n. In multiplication, we have a positive sign. Third is law of division. Log m upon n. Log m upon n can be written as log m minus log n. So these are the three laws: law of power, law of multiplication, law of division. Now comes where we'll use this logarithmic differentiation, because in exam it is not mentioned that use logarithmic differentiation. So now the second question comes, where to use logarithmic differentiation. Now there are two functions in which we'll apply logarithmic differentiation. Suppose you have a function, suppose you have to differentiate cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. That means we have product of three functions. You know, for 2, so we can apply the product rule. But if we have more than two functions, that means we have cos x, cos 2x and cos 3x. तीन term multiplication में है. So here we will use the logarithmic differentiation. This is first part. Now secondly, where to use the logarithmic differentiation? Where we have a question of this form. Function raised to the power function. fx is a function और उसकी power में भी क्या है? Function है. Function raised to the power function. For example, if I say differentiate x to the power sin x. X is a algebraic function and sin x is a trigonometric function. So function to the power function, that is also called in this type of question, when we have to differentiate these, we apply the logarithmic differentiation. So is that clear? Where to use the logarithmic differentiation? Where we have more than three functions in product, and when the question is of the form function to the power function. So this is the basic. Now comes the formula. The formula used in logarithmic differentiation, very easy. Log x, differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So only this formula will apply. Now exercise 5.5. Now in this I am taking only important questions which are asked in board. So first I will take a basic question, and then whichever question I am telling you, go through those questions only from the exercise. So first question is cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. Now to differentiate these type of function, the first step which we follow is we assume this function as y in all the cases. You will assume this function as y. Now we have three functions in product, so we'll take log on both sides, taking log on both sides. So it will become log y, log in bracket you will write this term. Now you know the property, then in multiplication, these three terms are in multiplication. We have got a plus sign, so log cos x, multiply will convert into plus, log cos 2x, then this multiply plus log cos 3x. So what we get? Log y equal to log cos x plus log cos 2x plus log cos 3x. Now till now we haven't differentiated it. We have applied the laws of logarithm. Now differentiating both sides. Now you know what is the differentiation of log x? It is 1 by x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So similarly, differentiation of log y will be 1 by y dy by dx. Now log cos x, again log x is 1 by x, so log cos x will be first 1 by cos x, and then you will differentiate this cos x also by chain rule, so it will come minus sin x. Similarly, log of cos 2x 1 by cos 2x, then cos 2x differentiation will be minus sin 2x, and then 2 also, because you will differentiate this 2x also, so 2 will come. Similarly, log cos 3x 1 upon cos 3x, then minus sin 3x into 3. So finally what we get, this term as it is, sin upon cos minus 10x, sin upon cos minus 2 tan 2x, and minus 3 tan 3x. Now after that we have to find the value of dy by dx. So I will cross multiply this y. I have taken minus sign common also. So all the terms will become positive. So minus y times 10x, 2 10 2x and 3 10 3x. Now put the value of y. Y we have assumed cos x, cos 2x and cos 3x. So at the end you put the value of y and leave the answer like this only. No need to simplify it further. So this is called the logarithmic differentiation. Now few more examples we'll see.